environmental protection, intelligent manufacturing, peace of mind quality, international quality, world-class supplier, Engel, your peace of mind first choice. In 2009, Guangdong Angel Rubber and Plastic Technology Limited Company, in Zhongshan City, Guangdong Province, the great man Sun Yat-sen hometown came into being. Years witness history, hard harvest fruit, Engel deep professional field, constantly improve their scientific research ability and production capacity. Now has the industry-leading independent international standardization factory, covers an area of 80 mil, construction area of 26,000 square meters, and has won high-tech enterprises in Guangdong Province and dozens of patents. High-tech product certification won the consistent high praise of customers at home and abroad. All the way, focus, professional, innovation and development, Engel has always been committed to the development, production of rubber, silicone, liquid silicone, plastic, precision hardware parts and molds, and the assembly of finished products. Equipped with more than 200 sets of various large production equipment, annual production capacity of more than 4,000 tons, complete specification, technology leading. At the same time, actively explore the market demand, continuously expand the product category, customize, design and produce to the needs of different customers in different industries. Provide supporting solutions and services for the construction, bedroom, machinery, automobile and motorcycle, electronics and home appliances industries. It has successfully established stable and close partnerships with many well-known brands. Relying on abundant capital advantage in professional management research and development team. In 2017, Engel responds China Intelligent Manufacturing 2025 planning to start digital construction, online ERP, APS, OA, BI, SRM, MEMS and WMS and QMS, equipment networking mining system, carrying the regional 5G network and Wi-Fi coverage. Cooperate with each workshop intelligent equipment, the logistics using barcode batch management, implements the dynamic tracking of the production process and product quality and manufacturing and operation management of the visualization, digital, provides support for the factory integration collaborative management platform. Quality is the life of the enterprise. Engel adhere to the construction of high-quality products, smart people's livelihood, as its own responsibility. Has a full set of advanced testing equipment, integrated laboratory, as well as rigorous testing procedures. Combined with the powerful digital intelligence system, abnormal timely warning, effectively ensure the quality control ability of all kinds of products. Engel has been certified by ISO 9001 and IAT F169 for 9 systems successively, and the company's products have been recognized IMO, ASTM, UL, WARS, KTW, NSF, LFGB, and FDA and other institutions, providing a firm guarantee for entering the international market. Forward, Engel will continue to digital intelligent manufacturing with rapid response of professional services, continuous innovation of technical strength, flattening efficient operation mechanism, improve the level of lean management, realize the adjustment of the enterprise, tapping, transformation, upgrading, adhere to create value for customers for the service tenant, enterprise and employee development as the core idea. Realize enterprise, win-win situation, customers, employees, create higher enterprise and social value.